Hey my beautiful Tea Party squad, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Simply Gilded subscription box, which is going to be volume 33. And I cannot wait to open this up and see what is in store. And so if you're like me, go ahead and grab your favorite beverage because I have my tea off to the side here. And I'm going to be sipping on some tea while I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you all of the fun things that is in the subscription box. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you are new to my tea party, hello and welcome. I am so glad you are here. So if you love planner related videos, sticker book flip throughs, and some subscription box unboxing and organization videos, then this channel is for you. So I do hope that you consider subscribing to my tea party and clicking that subscribe button and notification bell to become a part of my tea party squad. All right, so are you ready, guys? Because I know I am. Let's see what volume 33 has in store. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It says Lullaby Moon. So cute. Oh my gosh, volume 33 with the nice little silver foil on there. This is giving me all like baby vibes, but yes, I have 3 girls and this is super cute. So hopefully this will be something that I can use with like their memory keeping. So let's go ahead and see what's in the inside. Oh my goodness. So I have one of my little ones here with me. And so if you hear her kind of oohing and eyeing as well, you know she loves it. So just want to forewarn you on that. Wow. That is so cute. You know, this is always a treat for me because I am like a bag girl and like a little pouch like type girl. So anything that keeps all of my stationery things in, I am so here for it. Ooh. Look at this. So I do love the packaging of this because I can reuse this. So let's see what all we get in the inside. And I like to kind of go over all of the like the little descriptions of what we're gonna, you know, get a chance to see, and also making sure that I'm giving you the right names for the certain items because I am pretty new to the Simply Gilded fan club. So I do get some things wrong, but I do try to make sure I give out the right names. But I love the washi. So in love with these. Look at this, guys. So you have this one, I don't know if it can focus, with some florals on there, and then you get your infamous one with, you know, you get the bows that's in silver foil. Oh, and you get one with like music notes on there. This is so cute. I want to see it. Do you want to see it? Look at that. This is so cool. I like that. And then you get another skinny one of this one. And then we get another one. This one says home, work next week. I love this one. And then you get like the little moon here. So cute. I can see the moon. You see the moon? That's awesome. All right. So here we get our journaling card, which I always like these. So I am like, you know, just collecting these. And it has like this rose gold foil on there with that little floral. So this is really cute. I am actually going to be reusing this bag. I might end up storing the rest of my washies in here, like on the go when I'm like traveling. I might just end up throwing in my washies that way, keep them nice and safe. But I think that's really cute. All right, so let's take a look in the inside. I'm just in love. This is so cute.
I see something.
What do you see?
I see a bird. Let's see.
Yes, this is so cute. So this looks like a little pouch. I think the last subscription we had like a little folio. So, wow. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this. Look at the inside. So you get the little mama owl. I do love the owls. This is so cute.
I see glitter.
Yes, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh, we get more washi. We're going to look at that, okay? I just love the inside of this, you guys. Oh my goodness. This can be for a boy or a girl. This will probably be like a nice baby shower gift, but I think I might keep it for myself. Yes. Wow. Yes, we're going to look at all of that. All right. So here we have the Lullaby Moon July 2020 box. We're going to get foiled journal card. Yes. And then we're going to get a designer washi tapes. We are going to get deluxe sticker kits and seals that we're going to take a look at. Also, we're going to get vegan. This is what we saw. So we just saw the vegan leather pouchy. Love that. And then we're going to look at a B6 stitch binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, a velvet and crystal bow charm, which I think my daughter just had. And then we're going to get the vellum and acetate sheets. And then we're going to get some confetti tape kit. Oh, and a mystery item. So I just may reveal the mystery item, but we're going to take a look, see, and see what that mystery item is. So we already took a look at the leather pouchy, which is really cute.
Wow.
I think I'm going to put the little charm on my little loop here. So we take a look at that. All right. So next up is the B6 stitched binding notebook. I'm not going to open this, but I think this is so cute. So I think I may save this one. This is really special. I just signed Madison up for orchestra in the 6th grade. And so I think I'm going to like take little pictures and keep them in this because I think the little notes just go well with this. So she doesn't know it yet, but I think I'm going to keep this one, especially for her when she's playing like her instruments around the house because we are doing virtual learning. So I think I'm going to keep that as like memory keeping. All right. Next up is our vellum and acetate sheets. We're going to take a look at. Let's see if I can open this up.
Wow, looks funny.
Yeah.
Wow.
So the first one, let's take a look one at a time, okay?
Stickers.
So this is the acetate sheets and it's clear. And then you're going to get some moons, some stars, and then some music notes. That is really, really cute. Oh my goodness.
I want a lot of stars in my room.
Yes. And then we get this vellum sheet with like the mother owl that kind of mimics the same thing that's in our little pouchy there. And then we get some foil moon and music notes. So this is really cute. I know. We're going to take a look at that one too.
This one.
So cute.
Let's see
All right.
this one.
Next up, since she wants to show this one, this is our velvet and crystal bow charm.
This goes under pocket.
Yeah.
We so can keep it nice and safe.
Yeah, keep everything nice and safe. So this is really cute. And you get like the little moon here. And you get a music note. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Awesome. That is really cute. So you want to hold that one? Okay. All right. So let's take a look-see at some pins because these are what I am looking for.
Wow.
This is really cute. So you get the little ombre tone of the pin you get the blue and the pink. And then you get like the moon and stars. I don't think it has music notes. No, just moon and stars and like little silver foil polka dots on there. This is really cute. And this is the black gel pen. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love that. And then we also get a jelly roll. So this might be our mystery item because I did not see that on there. So this might be our mystery, which is really cute. Let's see if we can focus in. So yeah, we get a jelly roll. I do love the jelly rolls. I do love using them sometimes for certain things on my spreads. And so, yeah, I think this is the mystery item. So I hope I didn't spoil it for you if you have not did your unboxing, or maybe you just want to check out and see what I've received, but I hope that I didn't spoil that for you. All right, next up, oh my gosh, this is really cute. So this is the Confetti Tape Kit.
It has glitter.
This is something new.
I like glitter.
Yes, I love glitter too. So we're going to get some confetti. This is really cute. So just add like to a shaker box, which is really cute. So you get like the moon, the stars. You get some little pink hearts there.
Oh, I like hearts.
Yeah.
Why do you like hearts?
I love hearts. And then here is our, I think it's like a washi tape, or I guess it's like the confetti tape, but this has music notes on it. So it's clear, which I think is awesome. And let's see if we can focus. Let's work it out. And so it's just like the acetate sheets. It just has the foil music notes and moon, stars, and all that fun stuff. No, we're going to keep this separate, okay? All right. All right. So last but not least, we are going to take a look at our deluxe sticker kits and seals. So, oh, look at this. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It looks cute.
Love it. So let's take a look at each page, okay, Peyton?
I want to put stickers.
No, it doesn't fit on your fingernails. These are stickers go in the planners to make our planners cute.
But I want to keep it on here.
You want to put it on your hand? All right, so here we get our deluxe sticker kits here. We get some daily to-dos, today, remember, important.
Ooh, it has
Get
hearts.
some fall boxes. Yes, some hearts, some music notes. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I already know what I'm going to do with this. And then look at this. Oh, look at that floral on there. That has the days of the weeks there.
It has hearts.
Yes.
Right.
And they're all in silver foil. You have meeting appointments. Hashtag Washi Wednesday, because I do need a reminder for Washi Wednesday. So that is a great reminder that I think I'm going to use. So now the only thing is just trying to figure out what planner I want to use this for when I do my spreads. But I don't think that'll be hard. Oh, look at these seals.
Yeah.
Look at these little sealers. They're so cute. Let's see. Are they paperback or are they clear? Okay, so they're paperback. I thought they were clear stickers. So we get 2, 4, 6 of those. And then we get some icon stickers here. So we get the LULLABY Moon icons. We get some half boxes here. We get some icons here. Some checklist boxes here. And then we get our dates. Dates with foil on there. Icon stickers that I'm glad that they went ahead and added to this. So cute. And then we get some more heart icons. And these two shapes are in the shape of hearts. Then we get some more of these icons here. All right, so that was an unboxing of my Simply Gilded subscription box volume 33. You guys know that I have been loving every subscription box that I've received so far. So I'm so glad that I went ahead and splurge on getting this every month for myself. I think this is going to build up my collection for the Simply Gilded washi tapes that I love. And I really was getting it for the washi tapes, but then I also start falling in love with the stickers as well. And I absolutely love this. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this Simply Gilded box. I know my little one, she is all over this, you guys. She is all over this unboxing. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in with me and Peyton. And I hope that you enjoyed it enough to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here and you enjoyed this video or you enjoy some of my videos here at my channel, I hope you do consider subscribing to my tea party and becoming a part of my tea party squad. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.